Welcome, you misfits, you miscreants, and you outcast of society. Welcome back to Screaming at a Wall. Thank you for joining me. I'm Kasper, aka Christopher, aka The Ghost, your host. Let's ask this burning question. Does everyone deserve a second chance? How about your ex? How about the gym bully who used to love pantsing you? And how about your dear old friend, the reformed criminal?
What are you rebelling against?
What do you got?
We're trying to change something.
Skateboarding is a way of learning how to redefine the world around you.
The owners of this country don't care about the foreign owner.
Now, baby, push me. Push me again now.
Screaming at a wall.
Today, we're going to delve into an important legal process known as a petition for dismissal, specifically focusing on California's expungement laws. Many states vary on this process. For the sake of keeping it basic, I'm going to focus on what I know California. Yep, the state that everyone's leaving, but if you're a reformed criminal, there are a lot of beneficial laws being passed for second chances. So we got that going for us. Moving on, expungements are the process of cleaning up one criminal record is a crucial step for individuals looking to move forward in their lives, free from the hindrance of past convictions. Let's explore the key aspects of this process and understand why it's so significant and some of the laws that are helping those individuals with a second chance. If you're curious about how these updates might affect you or someone you know, make sure you watch this video until the very end. First and foremost, cleaning up your criminal record can have a profound impact on various aspects of your life. It can hide your criminal records from private entities like employers, landlords, and other individuals or companies conducting background checks. This means that many private entities will not have access to the information in your record, giving you a fresh start in certain aspects of your life. Moreover, expunging your record may allow you to legally state that you were never convicted of a particular offense. This can be immensely beneficial when seeking employment, applying for housing, or pursuing other opportunities where a clean record is essential. Additionally, it may restore many rights that were lost due to that conviction, such as voting rights, the right to sit on a jury, which I'm not sure you're stoked on, and even getting gun rights in some cases. Not mine, not in California. Furthermore, a clean record can open up new avenues for career growth by reducing or removing legal restrictions that may have previously prevented you from obtaining certain jobs or professional licenses. This is particularly significant in today's competitive job market, where a clean record can be a distinguishing factor. Before we dive into this serious yet strangely liberating world of expungements, so maybe about 6 months ago, I was contacted by a nonprofit organization called Roots and Rebound, asking me if I wanted to participate in their expungement program. I had no idea what they were talking about. I did reach out to other organizations, and I'm not sure if that's where they got my information, but I jumped on the chance. So they basically told me that within the next 4 months, a lawyer would be contacting me that they have hired, and they would go through an interview process, basically write a deposition, and that would be presented to a judge, and he would review my case, and I have the potential to have my record expunged. Now, this is extremely important for a lot of different reasons. Specifically in my case, as you may or may not know, if you don't follow the channel, I am pursuing a career in clinical psychology. So to become a licensed therapist in California, it would make it extremely difficult for me to be able to pass the board of review. Now, let's discuss the process of obtaining your own expungement in California or wherever you're at. First, you start by getting a rap sheet. RAP stands for Record of Arrest and Prosecution. This is also known as a live scan. Why is it important to get your rap sheet? You want to correct any errors such as incomplete or incorrect information, to have an accurate record of your conviction history, to be better prepared to answer questions about your criminal history, and you will need it to clean up your record. If you have arrests or convictions in California only, this is the only rap sheet you will need. In order for the DOJ to release your rap sheet, you're required to submit your fingerprint fingerprints. Your fingerprints must be taken by a company called LiveScan, which has been specifically approved by the DOJ and has locations all around California. You also need to pay about $25 processing fee to the DOJ. It can take about 2 months, anywhere from 2 to 8 weeks, to get a copy of your DOJ rap sheet, depending on how long your rap sheet is. After you obtain that, you want to get the petition for dismissal. This petition is your formal request to the court to expunge your conviction. It is crucial to understand why your case meets these requirements. Providing a detailed explanation to the judge about why they should grant your expungement would be in the interest of the justice is paramount. When preparing your declaration, consider including factors such as extenuating circumstances surrounding your conviction, your efforts towards rehabilitation and personal growth, your education or vocational achievements. It's important to be specific, honest, and thorough in your declaration while avoiding irrelevant information that may detract from your case. Seeking legal assistance or guidance is highly recommended, especially for the discretionary expungement, as the process can be complex, and having a professional support can significantly increase your chances of success. Moving on to the practical steps involved: obtaining the necessary court forms, such as the petition for dismissal, which is CR 180, and the order for dismissals, a CR 181, is the initial requirement. These forms can be obtained from the court clerk, the official California court's website, or through legal representation. Filling out these forms accurately and completely is crucial, ensuring that all required information is provided and relevant boxes are checked based on your specific case, such as whether your conviction qualifies for mandatory dismissal or discretionary dismissal. For discretionary petitions, additionally supported documents such as declaration, letters of support, accomplishments, and a letter to request a hearing may be required. These documents serve to strengthen your case and provide a comprehensive overview of why expungement is warranted in your situation. After completing the necessary paperwork, serving the court papers to relevant parties such as the DA and probation department is essential. This formal notification ensures that all involved parties are aware of the expungement petition and action is being taken. Again, this is why it's important to hire legal assistance. Finally, attending your court date or hearing is crucial, as it provides an opportunity to present your case directly to the judge and address any questions or concerns they may have. Following up after the judge grants your expungement is also important to ensure that your official criminal record reflects dismissal accurately. If you meet the eligibility criteria and have completed your sentence or probation, expungements could be the key to unlocking new opportunities. Recent changes, such as those brought by California Senate Bill 731, have expanded eligibility for expungement, allowing certain felony convictions, even with prison sentence, to be considered for relief. It's a step towards a more inclusive and rehabilitative system. And keep in mind that some offenses, like certain sex crimes requiring registration and crimes against children, remain ineligible for expungement. However, for many others, the door to expungement relief has widened. Always consult legal experts for personalized guidance on your specific situation. They can help navigate the complexities of expungement and advocate for your rights in court. Thank you for joining us on this journey through California's expungement laws. And if you're in another state, please inquire about it. Stay informed, stay empowered, and remember, everyone deserves a second chance. If you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe and like this video. And if you've gained something out of it, please share the video. Until next time, take care and stay free. Peace.
Why are you rebelling again?
What do you got?
We were trying to change something.
Skateboarding is a way of learning how to redefine the world around you.
The owners of this country don't care about the poor and your
Now,
owners.
baby, push me. Push me again now.
Screaming out a wall.